In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App to Doordash. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So just follow these methods below to link your Cash App to the Doordash. So first launch the Doordash app and sign into your account. Now head and click on the account in the bottom right corner. So after click on the account sections will appear with several options. Now tap on the payment method. So next under the payment method section, you will find all the available payment method options. Now click on the credit/debit card menu. Now enter manually your Cash App card details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV number. So tap on add card once enter the information. So this is how you can add your Cash App card details. So now enjoy your food by paying through the Cash App payment method once delivered. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.